Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai retirement visas and specifically discussing whether or not it's a necessity to utilize what's called a visa service or a visa agent or a visa agency to obtain a Thai retirement visa. A recent comment that we saw on this was a comment off our YouTube channel. This comment, quote directly, "A friend just told me that Jomtien Immigration said he cannot renew his retirement visa himself. He has done exactly that for 10 years plus. They told him he must use an agency. Is that the official policy?" Well, first of all, I can't speak for Thai immigration, so let me be clear right there. Secondly, this is sort of third hand, so a friend told the person who's making this comment that they were told that they had to get a visa agent. Now, I don't know the context of this. I don't know exactly what happened in the conversation. What I suspect may have happened is that the individual in question went in to apply for a retirement visa extension, and due to the fact that there are certain rule changes and the individual in question may not have had all their documentation lined up, basically the immigration officer suggested, rather, shall we say, rather bluntly, if you will, that it would be better to use a visa agency. But I do not believe, no, it's, to the best of my understanding, it's not required that one utilize an agent when processing through the Thai immigration system. That being said, it can greatly streamline the process. A facilitator can basically make the process a lot smoother. It can make it a lot more pleasant, for lack of a better term. And generally, a reputable service provider who deals with the immigration service on a regular basis, they can be quite a benefit. That being said, yeah, it's not a requirement, and they may be useful, but the other thing to keep in mind, some visa services and visa agencies could be a real problem, as there have been not a few who have had problems with filing fraudulent documentation and just causing all sorts of issues for their customers and clients, sometimes due to incompetence, sometimes due to inability, sometimes due to just being generally unethical. So while I do think it's generally a good idea to go ahead and utilize a service to go ahead and get one's visa and other documentation, travel documentation sorted out, it's also a good idea to do one's due diligence and sort of check the references of those who one is going to in order to ascertain whether or not the individual in question is going to provide good service. So the thing to take away from this video, no, it is not a requirement, but especially with the heightened complexity associated with the Thai retirement visa system, I personally think it's probably a pretty good idea to go ahead and utilize a professional in order to get one's immigration status sorted in Thailand in the most efficient manner possible. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.